In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable your microphone on iPhone. First, let's begin by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. This app is typically represented by a gear icon and is usually found on your home screen. Tapping on it will take you to a menu where you can customize various features of your device. It's essential to know that the Settings app functions as the control center for your iPhone. This is where you'll manage not just microphone settings, but many other important preferences that can enhance your user experience. So, go ahead and tap that gear icon to get started. Next, once you are in the Settings menu, you will need to locate and tap on Privacy and Security. This section is vital because it houses all the permissions your apps need to function properly. By managing these permissions, you can ensure that your privacy is protected while allowing apps to access the features they require. Scroll down a bit and you will see the Privacy and Security option. Tapping on it will lead you to a new set of options specifically focused on your privacy controls. This is an important step in making sure your microphone is used safely and effectively. Now that you're in the Privacy and Security section, tap on Microphone. This is where you will find all the apps that have requested access to your microphone. You will see a list of apps, each accompanied by a toggle switch. It's crucial to review this list closely because it allows you to control which applications can use your microphone. By managing these permissions, you are ensuring that only trusted apps can access your microphone, which is key for your security and privacy. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with what's listed here. After locating the microphone section, turn on the toggle next to the app you want to allow to use your microphone. This action grants that specific app permission to access your microphone, enabling it to capture audio. The toggle will shift to a green position, indicating that the app now has permission. It is important to enable this for apps that rely on voice recording or communication features. Once you have toggled the switch, you have successfully granted microphone access to that app. Finally, open the app and test the microphone. This is where you will see if everything is functioning correctly. Try using a feature that requires audio input, such as recording a voice memo or making a call. If the microphone is working properly, you should be able to hear your voice clearly. If the app doesn't appear in the microphone list, don't worry just yet. Simply open the app and attempt to use a feature that needs the microphone. iOS should prompt you to allow microphone access if it's not already granted. Remember, if your microphone still doesn't work after you've granted permission, there are some troubleshooting steps to consider. Restart your iPhone to refresh its system and check if there's any case or debris covering the microphone itself. Additionally, ensure you are using the latest version of iOS. Keeping your device updated is essential for optimal performance. By following these steps, you will ensure that your microphone is enabled and ready for all your audio needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.